Welcome to GH Mastery 2 for second PU board exam 1 to 3, 100% pass package. Follow up GH Mastery 2. Okay. Question is find magnitude of A and magnitude of B given A plus B dot A minus B is equal to 8 and magnitude of A is equal to 8 into magnitude of B. Now solution. Given A plus B dot A minus B dot this A dot A dot A plus into plus plus A dot A plus into minus minus A dot B plus into plus plus B dot A plus into minus minus B dot B is equal to 8. A dot A is the vector A square minus A dot B plus B. A in the dot product B dot A is always equal to A dot B minus B dot B is the B square is equal to 8 plus A dot B minus A dot B get cancelled. Vector A square can be written as magnitude of A square minus magnitude of B square is equal to 8. Given magnitude of A is equal to 8 times of magnitude of B, squaring on both sides, magnitude of A square is equal to 64 times of magnitude of B square. Magnitude of A square is equal to 64 times of magnitude of B square. Substitute into here. 64 magnitude of B square minus magnitude of B square is equal to 8. 64 B square minus B square is the 63 magnitude of B square is equal to 8. Magnitude of B square is equal to 8 by 63. Magnitude of B is equal to root of 8 by 63 split root 8 by root 63. Magnitude of B is equal to root 8 can be written as what? Root 2 by root 63. Magnitude of P is required. Remaining required magnitude of A, magnitude of B value substitute into this. Magnitude of A is equal to 8 into magnitude of B is nothing but 2 root 2 divided by root 63. 8 into 2, 16 root 2 divided by root 63 is the value of magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is equal to this. Magnitude of B is equal to this. Okay. Thank you. Follow and subscribe GH Mastery 2. 100% success in second PC, first and second, third exam. Thank you.